Today we're covering a big question. Does Phantom Wallet really support Ethereum and ERC-20 tokens? And yes, I'll show you an actual live demo, transferring ETH and ERC-20 tokens into Phantom, step by step. Originally, Phantom was a Solana-only wallet. Today, Phantom supports three networks, Solana, Ethereum and Polygon. So yes, Phantom fully supports Ethereum. In other words, users can hold an ETH balance in Phantom Wallet, besides Solana or Polygon. ERC-20 isn't the same as Ethereum. Ethereum is the blockchain, while ERC-20 is a token standard used by most tokens on Ethereum, like USDT, Link, Avi and thousands more. If a token is an ERC-20, Phantom can store it as long as you send it on the Ethereum network. Now let's bring this to life. I'm going to send actual ETH from Binance straight into Phantom. As you can see, I'm using the Binance website on my left side and the Phantom wallet on my right side. For demonstration purposes, I have put this setup this way, so it's better for you to see how things will work. Okay, so let's start with finding my ETH in my Phantom wallet on the right side. So I have to find my Ethereum balance. Currently there's nothing. I go here and I have to find the receive button here. Behind this account you can see there's an Ethereum address available. I need to copy this and then I can go back to a Binance website. Here on Binance, I have to find the withdrawal button. It's right above. If you're using the app, yeah, you have to find somewhere the withdraw button and go there. So I'm click on it here right now. The page needs to reload. Okay, so now the website asks me to select a coin. Default is Bitcoin, but I'm going to select ETH here. Yes. It takes a while, but otherwise I'll type this. ETH, there it is. Alright. Then I have to withdraw to Phantom on my right side. So I have to enter the address in this text box and I have to copy the address, which is pasted like here. Here it is. Very important, the network, pay attention, because we need to select the Ethereum ERC-20 network. This is very important. If you choose one of the others, a very big chance if you send this, you will lose the crypto forever. It can't be refunded. So make sure to pick the right one. In this case, it will be ETH Ethereum ERC-20. Alright, at the moment, how much do I have? I have this. Well, I decide to send 0.003 to my Phantom wallet. Okay, everything's well available, but I have to pay a little fee, unfortunately. Yeah, that's how it works on Binance. So here I choose to withdraw. I'm gonna do this now. Okay, continue. Good. Security verification requirements. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here and let you know when the funds have arrived. And there it is. My ETH from Binance has arrived in my Phantom wallet. You can see it here. As I said earlier, Phantom supports Ethereum and ERC-20 tokens. If you want to know how to send an ERC-20 token like USDT from Binance to Phantom wallet, stay tuned. In the next part of this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to send USDT from Binance into Phantom wallet. For sending USDT from Binance to Phantom wallet, the procedure is almost the same as ETH earlier. Remember that USDT is an ERC-20 token and should be treated like this. Alright, again, you see the two screens. On the right side is my Phantom wallet, on the left side is Binance. And the procedure is the same as earlier said. So I'm going to copy and find my Ethereum address for the withdrawal below. It's here again. Again, it's here. It should be copied. Then on the Binance website, you have to find the withdrawal button again. If you're using the app, make sure to find the withdrawal button, click on it, and it will be reloaded. Yes. So instead of ETH, now the coin should be USDT. I have a little bit slow connection, but I need to select the coin here. Okay. USDT. Found it. Good. I want to withdraw this to my Phantom wallet on the right side. And make sure, because the Ethereum address I have copied and should be pasted here again. So let's do this. And very important, select the network. Just with ETH, also here, make sure to select the Ethereum ERC-20 option. Very important, otherwise funds will be lost if you send it and use one of the others. So choose it. Alright, so on Binance there's a minimal amount of 10 USDT. I think I just have enough. Yes, I have. So, alright, there's a fee, unfortunately. I'm going to withdraw this also and let you know when funds have arrived. Good. And there it is again. Phantom Wallet has automatically detected this ERC-20 token. You can see the USDT balance above Ethereum here. Very smooth and convenient, if you ask me. All in all, this is the best way to send ERC-20 tokens like USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Below again the full breakdown of this entire video. Phantom supports Ethereum. You can store ETH. You can store any ERC-20 token in Phantom Wallet. Also, you know now exactly how to transfer tokens from Binance to Phantom Wallet. It doesn't matter if it's USDT, AVI, meme coins like Shiba or any other. That's the beauty of it. Finally, like the video or subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.